As a Noibu customer, the Priority Issues tab is often the first place you go to begin investigating and triaging errors. By default, this view uses out-of-the-box settings as a starting point to surface revenue-impacting issues that occur on checkout, cart, collection, and product pages. But you can make this view your own to focus your search on what you care about most. You can add filters to narrow down the types of issues being surfaced in this view for investigation. And you can change which columns are displayed to give you a better at-a-glance understanding of what these issues are. For a few examples of different column and filter configurations that you can use to get started discovering high-impact issues, check out our PDF guide. Once you've set up your view the way you like it, you can click into any issue, pin it for further investigation and find it later in your Pin Issues tab. Or you can apply the same type of filter and column customization to your All Issues view to explore other types of issues you're interested in. You can get full details on how to use columns and filters in our knowledge base. And if you have any questions or need help finding the right configuration for your needs, please don't hesitate to reach out to your Noibu CSM.